Ladies and gentlemen.
Hello from a sunny morning in beautiful Vancouver, British Columbia. It's around 10 a.m. here at the SkyTrain station, and I've just about wrapped up a wonderful 4-day stay in the third largest Canadian city, and I'm ready to head back to Toronto. Let's see what this experience on our trip back on the Air Transat A321-200 is going to be like.
Ladies and gentlemen.
The one-aisle A321-200 comes with two General Electric CFM56 5B3 engines. This Air Transat cabin includes a 3x3 seating arrangement, and while it does not offer business class, the first 9 rows are advertised as front of cabin seats, quote unquote, which include perks like quicker meal service and earlier deplaning, of course. Rows 3, 5, 28, and 29 offer seats with more legroom at a premium. If I'm being honest, the tray tables could have definitely been cleaner, and overall I would rate the cleanliness of the cabin 6 out of 10.
Dans les compartiments supérieurs. Tous vos bouteilles doivent être rangées sur le siège devant vous et non dans les compartiments supérieurs. Your seat back and tray table must be in the upright position. We remind you that smoking and consuming your own alcohol is not permitted. At this time, mobile devices must be set to airplane mode, and large electronic devices, such as laptops, must be stowed. Covering, then place the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth, securing the elastic band behind your head, and breathe normally. The plastic bag may not inflate, but oxygen is still flowing. Secure your own mask before helping others. Vous adressez à nous pour toute question ou préoccupation relative à la sécurité.
As with most domestic airline flights these days, there was no food included in the ticket price, and so I chose a couple items, being as hungry as I was, from their pay menu. I got instant noodles and a pizza. For what it was, the food was okay, and it made it better considering I had a beautiful view out the window at 35,000 feet. The bathroom was relatively clean, and size-wise it's what you would expect from a narrow body. There are 3 lavatories on board this A321-200 in total. This flight itself was extremely smooth with pretty much no turbulence at all, and after around 3.5 hours we were ready for a descent and approach into Toronto's Pearson Airport. Enjoy this clip I've put together of our arrival, and I'll see you down on the ground. To Toronto. That was a really smooth touchdown on runway 23. Kudos to the pilot. We're now exiting the runway and taxiing to Terminal 3. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video as much as I did.
Bienvenue à Toronto. Veuillez s'asseoir, 45 local. Veuillez rester assis. Doors for arrival. They